Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, the typical way to do this would be to go down here to App, type in Edge, click on this and install. As you can see, the option is actually grayed out and it will not let us uninstall at the moment. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge, click these three dots in the right corner and select Help and Feedback and choose About Microsoft Edge. So I want to keep this page open, then click the Windows button and type in CMD. What we'll do next, paste this line into the CMD, but you want to replace this XXX here with the version number. In my case, it would be this. Yours may be different. Simply copy that, put in here and then copy all of this and paste it into a CMD and click enter. Next up, you want to paste this into it and it will ask if you're sure you want to make changes to device. Click yes. Now after you type in that last command and click yes, Microsoft Edge will automatically uninstall itself and it will be gone from your computer. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.